Welcome back to A Great Cooker. We are going to turn some humble sweet potatoes into some delicious baked sweet potatoes. We're going to do them in the Instant Pot. You need your handy dandy trivet. That's to keep the potatoes off of the water that you need to add. For this 8-quart Instant Pot, I need to add 2 cups of water. I know it's less if you have, depending on the size that you have. And add the potatoes. Here's the great part. I'm not going to wrap these potatoes in foil. I don't need to pierce them. I don't have to coat them in oil. The only thing that I did ahead of time was scrub these babies so that they are nice and clean. All right, we're already 95% of the way there. So now, at the top, make sure it's set to sealing and select manual. And you only need 15 minutes. These are medium potatoes, so 15 minutes at pressure and they'll be good to go. The pin has dropped. I just allow the potatoes to for the pressure to naturally release. And now, let's see what we've got. I'm going to take the big one out for you to take a look at. Wow. That one fell apart. Look at that. That literally just... Let me show you. Okay, so this is to show you how tender it is. It just came out of the Instant Pot like this. It's tender and moist. All I have to do is add a little cinnamon and some butter, a pat of butter. And this is what we're having for lunch. I baked at least 1 potato. Right now there's 5 of us home. So I made at least 1 potato for each person present. Look at that, the butter's already melting. A lot of dishes that I cook in the Instant Pot are for my family. I can't eat them, but I actually can eat this one. So I'm gonna give this a try. Oh, that's delicious. Of course, you could add sugar if you want, but I don't eat sugar. Try this and tell me what you think. See you next time.